Hublalotak.
Can make pissy.
Today is Monday.
What day?
All day today, let's be responsible. Always try, do our best, cooperate with others, and treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Have you ever wondered how the little decisions you make every day can shape your entire world? Hi, everyone. Today, we're diving into something really important: choices. A choice is when you decide between two or more options. We make choices every day, even if we don't always realize it.
Exactly. Imagine if every choice were a stepping stone on a path you're creating. Some choices are as small as picking what to eat for breakfast, while others are bigger, like deciding how to spend your time or whether to help a friend in need. No matter the size, choices shape our day and can even shape who we become.
Let's take a closer look at our own lives. Think about your day so far. Did you make a choice about what to eat this morning? Did you pick out your favorite clothes to wear? Those were all choices you made, and they set the tone for your day.
And maybe you had to decide whether to bring a coat or wear your boots because of the weather. That's another choice. Every time you make a decision, you're practicing how to make choices, big or small.
Now, let's imagine you're feeling hungry after a long day. You have two choices in front of you: dried fish or candy. Seems like an easy pick, right? But wait, what do you think might happen if you choose the candy?
Well, it might taste sweet and delicious for a little while, and that sugar rush might feel great, but it won't keep you full for long. After a short time, you could start feeling hungry again, maybe even a bit tired.
But if you choose the dried fish, it might not be as sweet, but it'll give you more energy and keep you satisfied longer. It's a choice that helps you stay strong and ready for whatever comes next. Interesting, isn't it?
Let's pause here for a moment to think about choices we've made.
Here's a question for everyone. Can you recall a time when you had to choose between something fun and something good for you? What did you decide and how did it turn out? So this is a chance to pause and then continue with the video after you're done with the discussion. This brings us to an important point. Every choice matters, no matter how small. Even little choices can add up to make a big difference. Imagine choosing to spend just extra 5 minutes helping a friend or 10 more minutes studying for a test. These small choices can really add up over time.
And think about how these choices make you feel. How happy might you feel after making a choice that helps someone else? How proud might you be after choosing to work a little harder on a project? It's amazing how our decision can affect our emotions.
Sometimes we don't know right away what the best choice is, and that's okay. Have you ever been stuck between options and didn't know what to do? It's important to pause and think. Ask yourself, what might happen if I choose this? How could it help me or others?
Taking a moment to think about your options before making a choice can help you feel more confident about your decision. It's like exercising a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger it gets.
Thinking about what happens next is an important part of making good choices. The more we practice thinking ahead, the better we get at choosing things that are helpful or make us feel good later. It's like planning a journey. You want to pick the best path forward.
And remember, it's not about always getting it perfect. Everyone makes mistakes, and that's how we learn. The key is to keep practicing and thinking about our choices so we can make decisions that help us and those around us.
Now, let's bring it back to you. Before we wrap up today, let's take a moment to think and share. Here are some circle up questions for you and your classmates. Ready to dive in?
For grades K through 5, can you think of a choice you made recently? Like what game to play or what to have for a snack? What happened after you made the choice? Did it make you happy? Did it help someone else?
And for grades 6 through 12, think about a time when you had a difficult choice to make. What factors did you consider before making your decision, and what was the outcome? Would you like to make the same choice again? Why or why not? This is a great opportunity to pause, circle up, talk about this in your partners, and then continue the video.
That's it for today. Remember, every choice is an opportunity to practice making good decisions. And guess what? Tomorrow, we'll explore what happens after we make a choice, what we call the consequences. It's going to be exciting.
We can't wait to see you then. In the meantime, pay attention to the choices you make and notice how they shape your day.
Thanks for joining us today, everyone. Keep practicing making thoughtful choices.
And always remember, it's okay to take your time and think things through. The more you practice, the better you'll get. See you next time.